Good evening, everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madhumita, and today I have come up with another video. This video is also going to be an event video. So, I was invited as the stage anchor to introduce Miss Ankita Bhattacharya. She is a very famous singer from Kolkata in our Durga Puja Association. So, out of a lot of efforts, and called me and they auditioned me for my stage anchoring skills. And yeah, finally I was selected. And mind you, guys, I was also having my dance performance and also office, but still somehow the day when the anchoring was supposed to happen did not clash with my dance performance and did not clash with my office, so I was able to do that. So yeah, this video is about that, so stay tuned and let's get started.
La la la, here we go, introducing Madhumita Chatterjee. With grace and charm, she anchors the night for Shoshti's cultural delight. I hope that brings a smile to your face. With a smile so bright and a heart so light, Madhumita leads the way, bringing joy and cultural display. From dance to music and stories to tell, she hosts the night and does it so well. With elegance and poise, she guides us through, presenting the culture in a vibrant hue, from rhythmic beats to graceful moves.
Hello everyone, hi, Shubho Shoshti, Shubho Shondhe, good evening. My name is Madhumita Chatterjee and I welcome you all to my channel. Today is Shubho Shoshti and today it's a very special day because I am going to be anchoring for a cultural event in Durga Puja. So guys, are you all ready to come with me for my anchoring journey? So come with me. And guys, this is my look. I'm wearing a sari today with silver colorful jewelry, with good eye makeup, bindi and everything. Woohoo! Come with me. Guys, today is Shoshti and this is my overall look. As you all know, I am the anchor of the Shubho Shoshti cultural program. So let me practice with you all my anchoring script. Okay, let's start. Shubho Shoshti, Shubho Shonde. Good evening, everyone. My name is Madhumita and I welcome you all to the auspicious night of Durga Puja. Today's auspicious night of Durga Puja has a lot of cultural events organized by Utsav Cultural Association. But before we get into all of that, let me ask you all a fun question. Are you all enjoying this year's Durga Puja? Can I get a cheers for that? Amazing. Now, let's take a moment to thank Utsav Cultural Association.
Hush, hush. It's ASMR video. This is my necklace. Look at my outfit, my lovely sari, and the mandatory tool. The blue sari with green hues. Outfit of the day.
We all can be a little proud of my makeup that I have done today because it has taken a lot of time and a lot of hours to look like this. Woo! I don't get to wear sari quite often. I'm a corporate working person, so sari is not the material that we wear for work every day. There are rare times during festivities that we wear sari. So, yeah, I was just taking my moment to enjoy this day and to also test everything is fine or not because I'll be going up on stage.
2,000 years later.
Come with me. Lift. Come with me. Today we are doing the anchoring. Super nervous. Driving towards the venue I usually leave before time because I don't want to panic in the middle of the road. Started raining again, guys.
6 hours later.
Just now reached the venue and I was just checking the stage. There were all the music instrument assembled and sound test was going on. Music instruments like guitar, drums, keyboard, everything was on stage and all the technical rehearsals were ongoing. Mic testing was happening, the light testing was happening. I was just behind the stage, sitting inside the green room, waiting for all the performing artists to come. So, as you know, I came a little early to ensure everything is happening on time or not. And I would also revise my script and I would go through the event, what is going to happen one after the other, so that I don't miss out on anything. So I got a chance to just go up on stage and just check the lighting and everything. And I was doing my mic test. Again, I'm showing you all the stage and yeah, waiting for everyone to arrive. And this was the second time I was doing the mic test. And it's so tough to shoot, because if you're alone and everything is on your head, it's very tough to even do the anchoring and shoot videos.
3 hours later.
And finally, the moment has arrived. The moment you have been waiting for. The moment I have been preparing for. We have Ankita Bhattacharya live. I wish I could make you all hear her music, but due to copyright, I just can't do it. But let me see how much I can share the music. And yeah, let's get back to you guys. One very interesting thing happened. Before Ankita arrived, many kids came up to me and they started saying, "Are you Ankita Didi? Are you Ankita?" No, no, I'm just the anchor. Ankita will come. La 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 मन के मने हिते na 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 na. So, yeah, finally she is performing live. So, at this point of time, I was asked to just sit in the front VIP rows because there's no point being in the green room when such an amazing performance is happening. But in my head, I was wondering what is going to be the structure of the program. I have to felicitate all the individual musicians, band members whom I have to call upon stage. So, all of that. An anchor is never off duty, but yeah, no worries. I kind of also danced a little bit on her songs. Her songs are so good, and she is really, really very talented. And I know like you're not able to hear the audio, but really, really hoping with this visuals at least you can feel the emotions that went through that night. And yeah, so all the members had come wearing saris, beautiful saris, beautiful women, and they were all having a good time. And this is the culture of Durga Puja.
আমি গাই এবার একটু গাই আমি থ্যাংক ইউ
standing right outside the Durga Puja Pandal. Just so amazing. Leaving from the pandal now. Hello everyone, hi. Just reached back home. I have parked and I'm in the car and I've parked the car. And guys, I wanted to tell you all that this is the first anchoring event that I have ever done. I met Ankita Bhattacharya, the winner of Saregama Pa. She was fabulous, her show was fabulous, and the most important thing is I was the one hosting this event. That is such a big thing, guys, because I have not done anchoring from a very long period of time, and to suddenly go on stage, be an anchor, was really tough. I felt so much happiness and really happy that I could do that. And yeah, just came back home. So that is it for the video. I really hope you loved our anchoring journey. And yeah, I'm going to see you all next time. Take care everyone. Bye bye. Happy Shoshti. Toodles. Bye.
2,000 years later.
I am also selected as the host, the anchor for other shows which are going to be happening in the upcoming Durga Puja days, that is Shoshti and Saptami. So I have prepared a script for that. So I thought, why not practice with you all? Okay, so let me tell you, in the day of Shoshti, that is the sixth day of Durga Puja, a renowned singer, Ankita Bhattacharya, is coming. She is an award winner of Sare Gama Pa. So she's very renowned, and she can sing songs in Bengali and in Hindi and so on. So I have prepared a small hosting script for inviting her, hosting her, and let's see how it goes. But so I'm just gonna practice with you all. So today you are my audience. Shubho Shoshti, Shubho Shonda. Good evening, everyone. Can you all make some noise for this night of Durga Puja? Look around you. The dazzling lights, the sound of dhak, the smell of bhog in the air, children running around new puja clothes. This is the magic of Durga Puja. Today is Shoshti, the day when Ma Durga arrives to our homes and hearts. It is the start of 5 days of joy, music, adda, food, and memories. And what better way to start this festive season than with music that touches the soul? But before we jump in, let's take a moment to thank Utsav Cultural Durga Puja Association for bringing us together year after year and giving us a home away from home. Utsav, it's not just an event, it's an emotion where we celebrate our culture, language, and traditions, while also opening door for talent, togetherness, and creativity. Utsav has kept the spirit of Pujo alive right here in Hyderabad. And tonight, you all are the proof of that. A quick introduction. Ami Madhumita. By profession, I am a cybersecurity and a governance risk compliance professional. হ্যাঁ আমার কাজ হলো data safe রাখা, companies audit করা. But outside of work, I am a dance enthusiast. Dance is my stress buster, my way of connecting with our culture. You can imagine how special tonight is for me to combine my love for culture and my role for host. Tonight, we have someone very special with us, Ankita Bhattacharya. She is not just a singer, she is a powerhouse of talent, winner of Z Bangla Saregama Pop, a performer who has mesmerized audience with her versatility. From Bollywood chartbusters to classical ragas to soulful Bengali folk, her voice is like magic. একবার সুর তুলে দিলে সবাই চুপ করে শুনে. And let me share something you might not know. Apart from being a brilliant singer, Ankita is known for her humble and down to earth personality. Off stage, she loves spending time with her family and finds joy in little moments. That's what makes her performances so full of emotions. She sings not just with her voice, but with her heart. So, everyone, are you ready to kick off the Shoshti night? Everyone, let me call upon stage the sensational, the most beautiful Ankita Bhattacharya. Give it up for Ankita Bhattacharya. Shubha Shoshti, Shubha Shonda. Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Madhumita, and I welcome all of you to today's Shoshti Night's cultural event. Durga Puja is all about these amazing emotions. Look at the dazzling nights. Look at the children who are playing with their new clothes. The smell of bhog is all filled in the air. The sound of dhak is enchanting everyone in this entire Gachibowli stadium. Utsav, it's not just an event, it's a culture that brings everybody together so that we can celebrate Durga Puja and countless number of festivities in a home, away from home. So let's have a huge round of applause for Utsav Cultural Association. And tonight we have someone very, very special, Ankita Bhattacharya. She is not just a singer, she is powerhouse of talent, winner of Saregama Pa, a performer who has mesmerized audiences with her versatility. From Bollywood chartbusters to classical ragas to soulful Bengali folk, she has done it all. Her voice is like magic. একবার সুর তুললেই সবাই চুপ করে শোনে. And let me share something you might not know. Apart from being a brilliant singer, Ankita is known for her humble and down to earth personality. Off stage, she's someone who loves spending time with her family, and that is why her humility brings so much soul in her music. Guys, are you all ready to hear Ankita Bhattacharya live? Thank you so much for watching this video. Up till here, I know my videos are a little long, but what to do? I cannot skip any content. Every content is so dear to my heart. But I really hope you liked watching this video. I really hope you loved watching the anchoring event and how I went through it and the entire journey. And yeah, that's it. This is the end of the video, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye. Toodles.
And that is it, guys. This was me, Madhumita, practicing my hosting one day before the actual event. Guys, this hosting opportunity also came to me just one day before. I was not even knowing that I would be selected. So I did not get any script or anything. All the research, everything, I did it on my own. And the day I was practicing at home, you will not believe, I came from work around 8:30 p.m. and then at 9:45 p.m. I had to go for stage rehearsals. So I just had 8:30 p.m. to 9:30, just 1 hour to prepare the script and to practice it. That The video that you're seeing is just so raw, unfiltered video where I was reading the script for the first time ever that I sat and wrote, and I was just trying to get the hang of it because the very next day was my dance performance and then my hosting was there, so everything came at the last minute. So yeah, I mean, whatever happens happens for good, but the point being, I'm so glad that you all watched my video till here. Really hoping that you all loved watching my journey of being the anchor, reaching the venue, setting up all the stage, and being there with me all along and introducing Ankita Bhattacharya. You also saw in my journey that we kind of enjoyed some clips of her singing videos. Yeah, so that is all for this video. This video has officially come to an end. You know, this is our tradition where we post few photographs which will always stay. And that is it, guys. We are done. And I will hoping to see you all in my next video. Till that time, take care, stay blessed. Bye bye. See you all next time.